Hey everybody, we're in Prescott. We just were on an RV trip and we stopped at Lake Watson and did some drone footage.
We just got back from an epic RV trip that included Prescott, but it also had Vegas, Valley of Fire, Lake Havasu, Sedona, Jerome, Zion, and Bonneville Salt Flats. We did some hiking videos along with our RV trip video, and if any of that interests you, consider subscribing and liking the video to see other adventures.
The bright blue lake is surrounded by granite boulders and hiking trails. Though swimming is prohibited, there are many other activities to do at Watson. You cannot swim at Watson Lake nor its twin sister Willow Lake due to pollution. Both lakes are downstream from old strip mining of mercury.
It's a $3 fee to get in to park, except on Wednesday, it's free.
There's also a map with all the points of interest and trails around the lake. There's a large parking lot with public bathrooms, a grassy area for picnics, and a boat launch. Watson Lake spans across 70 acres and has an average depth of 50 feet. It was a beautiful place to visit, and we can't wait to go back and hike some of the trails. If you enjoyed this short video and would like to see other adventures of our hikes and RV trip, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.